everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Line Time Coming In. Don't be alarmed. Don't be alarmed. Right now, y'all looking at me and y'all saying, well, I don't know what in the hell is going on over there. But B. Davis will tell you, yes, I do have on a scub cap. Yes, I do have on a jacket. Yes, I do have on shorts. And I do got on Line Dash 1.0 still going. Get yours custom made at Line Time Coming LineDadsOfficial.com.org. It's Florida. What do you expect? You know, it's clearly you can see a little overcast going on here. Clearly you can see I got on the jacket because it's a little breezy. Don't forget to hit that like button and hit that subscribe button and hit that little bell icon and hit your grandma in the face and hit your dog in the face. Well, don't do all that because that would be illegal. And one of those things would be abuse and one of those things would be animal abuse. And we don't want you to go to jail for that. But other stuff, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, comment, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss an episode of your boy B. Davis. Now, if the good stuff is out the way, what are we talking about today? Right here. We are talking all things pressure washer. Now, my neighbor let me borrow this so I can pressure wash out here. If you guys do want any more educational information about the pressure washer that you might not get from me, I spent my days in the classroom. Please go to video description below. My main man, Alan Hayden Lock here nut. He went into full details about pressure washing and what to do and the PSIs to look for and all that kind of good stuff. I have no idea if this is a high PSI, I can't remember, or the GP, the GPMs and all that kind of good stuff. I don't know. I'm just gonna go with it, you know? I'm just gonna go with what I know.
So sit back, relax, and enjoy the sweet sounds of yours truly, B. Davis, aka Line Time Coming. Get that special person to the side of you and enjoy some of the sweet sounds of pressure washing.
This area right here with just the gun. So let's see if it picks up a little bit more with the circular brush. I can definitely see a difference. If you look over here, you see a little bit more dirt. I don't know if that's coming up in the camera for you guys. It was a little bit, I could definitely see it picking up a little bit more than just with the gun. What I like to do is, I go vertical, and then I like to go, again, horizontal, or horizontal, vertical. Yeah, I like to go vertical, then I like to go horizontal, to make sure that you get it, that you're touching both sides. Probably some stuff, some spots I miss. That's why I go vertical, then I go horizontal also with pressure washing. But it's really up to you. That's my personal preference. It takes a little bit longer, but when you got this on here, you don't got to worry about that at all. The real challenge of comparing is going to be when we get out there on the sidewalk to see how much more it pulls up from when I had to hand do it. So let's get to going. Woo! That's clean. You got the rain coming in, and that bad boy, look at that. Still see a couple spots, but what I'm gonna do afterwards is I'm gonna take the gun off. I'm gonna just hose everything down, just so none of the dirt and whatnot, you know, all It's still up in there, none of the trash or crap. You know, pick up any other debris that's on the ground, throw it away. Try not to hose that into your street, so you can go down the street somewhere. Just try to push the flow of the water in there, not trash and all that kind of stuff. But for the most part, I think it did a damn good job. And on top of that, it made my edges more crispy. Remember, pressure washing is good for you. Keep all the dirt, the debris and everything off your yard. Off your yard. Keep all the dirt and the debris and everything off of your sidewalks, off of your driveways. Keep everything nice and clean, and it really works out when your neighbor does it and you do it. Some of the neighbors might not. That's okay. I'm gonna take it on down here to Frank's. I'm gonna help him out this time. But until next time, it's been another episode of Long Time Coming. Enjoy Davis. Peace.